Hello everyone, I'm Bishal Dangi and my student ID is 30374908. Today here, I'm going to present my project reflection presentation on our master project, event planning and booking system. Starting with the contents, here in my presentation, I'll be presenting about four main topics, which are justification of contributions, descriptions of contributions, and the unique things what I did or learned or contributed in this master project, and the ideas to improve the course. Let's begin with the project outline. So here our project title is Online Event Planning and Booking System, where our project coordinator is Mr. Dr. Naga Malik Desiri, and Ms. Prabjit Kaur is our project client, where our project supervisor is Mr. Mike Vu. And the project team members, we were four members, including me, and others are Noman Hussein Ismani, Ashish Kumar, and Sheikh Alamin. So our project was started on the 17th November 2012, and the project was finished in 11th February 2022. Talking about my contributions, here I worked in this project. I worked as a front-end developer with HTML and CSS. I worked as software testing, and I worked for the documentation part along with my group members. So my justifications for contributions. Here it is a front-end web development for following user stories. In sprint 1, I worked as an admin. I want to log in and log out in or from the website to manage and control the website contents. Here you can see on our right side of the screen, there are the evidences of screenshots which I have done in sprint 1. And moreover, as a user, I want to register on the website to access user view. And even as an admin user, I want to retrieve or change the password to access the website to book the events. Here on the right side, the evidence is showing the registration page and login page for user and admin. Continuing about my justifications for contributions is a front-end web development for following user stories. In sprint 2, I made a user dashboard, and as an admin, I want to see the inquiry made by customers so that I can reply to them. And even as an admin, I want to enter event details or add event page so users can easily see details of the events. Here on the right side of the screen, you can see the inbox, message inbox page for the customers. And on the downside, there is a user dashboard where user can see the total numbers of users, total numbers of events, and total numbers of ongoing events. Moreover, as a front-end web development for following user stories, where I worked at sprint 3, as an admin and user, I want to view a home page. And as a user, I want to register on the website to access the user view. And as an admin, I want to verify website login page appearance. Here you can see our homepage of our project and the event details, where various number of events and events ongoing, and even that there is a message inquiry box through which the user can contact us. So in the event details, there is the event details page. So it shows about the total capacity, address, and what event is going on and when it will be carried out. So even it shows the prices for the different events where user can get the information about all about the event details. So my justifications for the contributions, it is a software testing. In the software testing, I have designed the unit test cases or the test cases where I put the test cases with the different test data, and those test data was logged as test results. And for the documentation parts, uh, we work together with our project members, and I have done on a documentation part uh, in a project or a roadmap, and on a project storyboard, and our final write-up report. So what are the unique things that I learned or contributed in this project? I worked for the responsive web page designing with HTML and CSS3. I have done different unit testing with the test results, and using different version control systems like Git, and I learned to use the project management tools that like a Trello in this project. And moreover, I have learned how to use the agile methodology and Scrum approach, and I have applied the agile methodology in this project. And I have learned and worked as in a different project requirement analysis. And I have learned or contributed on designing UML diagrams like class diagrams, sequence diagrams, etc. And I learned how the teamwork and coordination can lead to a success in a project. And I have learned that the most important, the consistent communications with project stakeholders will be benefited, how much will be benefited in the project, completing the project. So there are the different ideas to improve the course. The course should be an industry-oriented course. And moreover, the practical intensive courses activities can lead to a better improvement of the course. And even the inviting industry experts to supervise students can really help the students to gain much more information about the project. And the continuous trainings, workshops, and seminars helps to make a better project. And even more, the course should be involved for the placement and internship opportunities where the students can get the real-time experiences and the different projects to meet the real-world challenges can be obtained. Thank you. That was my presentation about project reflection.